Hi, Mr. Bowling. It's Alan with Y&L Landscaping Company, and I've prepared this video to show you the scope of work that I am proposing for your yard. So we're just going to go through these pictures, and I'm going to describe the work. In this picture, um, this sidewalk needs to come out. Um, it's really causing a lot of problems in your yard, and so we're going to break this up. We're going to carry it out. We're going to dispose of it, and that will give us room to go ahead and do the drainage work. One of the main components of what we're going to do is put a grid of French drains, 2 rows, 20 feet wide each row, and then we're going to come off and connect them with 3 10-foot sections. And then strategically placed in here, we're going to put connected to that grid, we're going to put 2 um, uh, drain basins. Those are 12-inch by 12-inch. They'll be buried in the ground, and you will only see um, the top grate on top of that. So this system will do 2 things for you. It will allow groundwater to enter, or surface water to enter our system, which we're going to send to a dry well, and it's going to help absorb all that groundwater that's coming that's coming into your yard as well. We're also going to throw a section up here and connect to our grid of French drain to help that area as well. This whole area up here. So that illustrates what we're doing there. On this side, what we're going to do is trench out all the way along and create a French drain open to the top with river rock on top. So all this water that flows down from the house and off this downspout back here, and also down this hill, can collect in that drain field that we're putting in, and work its way over to our grid to eventually enter the dry well also. So let me see if I can get a good view. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this concrete pad, we're going to saw cut it right up against the edge here, so we don't chip it any farther under your deck than we don't want to chip it at all. So we're going to break that up, and then we're going to drop our dry well in this area. So dry well will go here. You won't see it. You won't know it's there. All you'll see is the very small surface inlet grate on top, which allows water to come out to go in, but also allows water to come out. And we're going to connect our grid through an underground pipe to that dry well. There's an area up here that's also very wet next to your house. Let's see if I can find a better picture of that area. I think I have to go in this direction here. Get all kind of pictures here. This area in particular gets very bad. We're going to put a couple French drain sections in here that run directly to the dry well, and we're going to put a drain basin in the ground here to help collect this surface water before it becomes a problem for you on the side of this house. So we're collecting groundwater, we're collecting surface water, and we're running everything to the dry well. The final thing is that I put several tons of topsoil to try to smooth this out, blend some of these areas, and give us a good seed bed to then go ahead and seed the area, and put some Curlex seed mat down on top. We'll staple that down, and that will help everything stabilize real nice and protect the ground until all that grass seed can grow. So that's the scope of the job. If you go back to the email that I sent you, there's a link to follow that takes you to your proposal. Please view your proposal, and then reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns, or how you'd like to proceed. Keep in mind we do have some financing options. They're really a great offering. One is 12 months, 0 interest. You get to pay it off. We don't get anything out of those, except they help people make a decision to do the work. So again, reach out to me with any questions or concerns. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye.